Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on the ear the voice, on the know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, the police issue warnings ahead of PNP conference. My wisdom warriors, on the know say PNP is good behaving citizens. Yeah. Them are good abiding citizens and good behaving citizens. They not stay like them, the green people. They none at all. Who remember for them last conference? Them did a fight over food. Who remember, my wisdom warriors? The labor right. They even STABB a man over food. Who remember? My wisdom warriors, listen. When me see this, me say, mighty God, Andrew only start with him foolishness. And I don't know, he just start with it, I don't notice what him do. He say no Zozo in a Clarendon. So you know what that mean. Now Clarendon people, they not gonna get figure, Now Clarendon people, they not gonna get figure. I think you don't know what I do? He try everything. Andrew only try everything for slow down PNP. And when I see somebody like that, when I see somebody acting like that, my wisdom warriors, they are cowards. Them afraid of PNP like a puss. They only are put up a tough face. Here, my wisdom warriors, they only are put out them best. But them afraid of PNP like a puss. You remember what happened at the local election? You remember see Mark Golding win the local election? Mark Golding win it. And Andrew only see him win it. Andrew only say him win it, my wisdom warriors. And if this man can go as far as say him win it, because if him win the local election, why weren't he celebrating? Because he couldn't celebrate, my wisdom warriors, because he heart not allow it. Because him heart to know say him never win. It is the PNP. And he burn him. PNP a lead right through. Yeah, PNP a lead right through. No matter what the labor right, dash on the oil, and dash on the powder, and dash on the this, and dash on the that. Let me tell you now, there is one creator. Wanna hear me? And the creator, God Almighty, now go allow Andrew Holness to get another term. Because he know what Andrew Holness is all about, my wisdom warriors. Him know that. Anyway, the police have issued an advisory for persons attending the People's National Party PNP annual conference at the National Arena on Sunday, warning against the carrying of weapons and urging adherence to traffic laws. Let me tell you now. On a police boy, on a police girl, I hope you don't come out and trouble the PNP people. Because we know how Andrew Holness administration stay. We know so then we send out people to come attack a PNP. You understand? We know that because we know how to turn. So, I hope, because I see we out, I feel the betterment for Uno also. Uno police boy, Uno soldier, we are out and we want changes for Uno also, for everybody. So today is a special day. And today is a day where we don't want no police and no soldier to take set on the PNP. And I'm sending a message to all the PNP people. Want to make sure that on the on the best behavior. Because guess what now? We know I said enough for the police. Them I remember you have only for labor right, police, only for labor right, soldier, and Andrew Holness, we send them out. Me attack facts, my wisdom warriors. You understand? For count disturb we. So, me I tell you, say, Uno just know say, if them say something to Uno don't answer. Unless they say to Uno say answer, because you know say, we want our conference to go on. We don't want no problem with the conference. No problem at all we don't want with the conference. So I'm pleading with all the PNP people. Please be on best behavior. I know say a funny thing that on humble, but me just a let you know same way. So guys, are you ready for the PNP annual conference today, because I don't know no normal. If you're not ready, say ready. My wisdom warriors, me I tell you no say, I admire Mark Golding so much. I admire Mark Golding. You know why? The man is an honest man. He is pure. My wisdom warriors. May I tell you no? He's a man of integrity. He is a man of integrity with a clean hands and a pure heart. Hey, I admire him so much, my wisdom warriors. May I tell you the truth? Yeah, I do. Because, listen, me start to read up about him, my wisdom warriors. And then me realize, say, he want the best for Jamaica. Even when Andrew owners come out and I implement this and I implement that, yeah, lot of the time, Mark Golden stand up and I say, no, no, this cannot work. This can't work with the Jamaican people. This is too much for the Jamaican people. So I realize that this man care about the Jamaican people. Let me give you an example. Look at, I was talking about signing the code of conduct, the leadership code of conduct. Yeah, the 7 principles of the code of conduct, which we expect a prime minister should sign, that every prime minister in a them country sign them code of conduct. Who the hell is Andrew Wallace? Why him no want sign it? Why him no want sign it? You know why? It's because he's part of corruption. Only people that is corrupted and is part of a corruption don't want to sign the code of conduct. Yeah, because the code of conduct we use against them in my wisdom warriors. The code of conduct can use against them. And they know, say, from them sign it, then can't do nothing out of the ordinary. Them know that. Again, Andrew Owens tell us, say, me play it over here enough time. He tell us, say, in the first 100 days, he might go implement impeachment. He might go put the impeachment in the constitution. Andrew Owens never do that. Why? If you say you want to get rid of corruption and you don't want the minister them steal and them kind of something there, why not doing it? Marlene Malaho come out and said, no, we not put the impeachment. Why? Because they're not corrupt. Because they corrupt, my wisdom warriors. Them corrupt. So me cannot respect Andrew Holness. I used to like Andrew Holness a lot. I don't dislike him, my wisdom warriors. But the things that he might do, I don't like it. I do not like it. I realize that this man is more about money. I used to like him a lot. Nobody couldn't tell me nothing about Andrew Holness. But when me start to do my research and I find out some things, I say this is not right. So me can't see a man that do something wrong and true me like him. Or true because him a laborer or me like him now, me I go say, no sir, me I go overlook it. No, me can't do that. Me can't do that. My wisdom warriors, when right is right, when wrong is wrong. You understand me? This is why I admire Mark Golding. Mark Golding is a man of principle. Mark Golding, Mark Golding signed the 7 principle of the leadership code. And Andrew can't sign it. None of Andrew Holness member them not sign it. And this Andrew Holness still around. Andrew Holness should be disqualified. Andrew Holness should be disqualified from being in office. This is a joke. Me I tell you no. This is a joke. And the Governor General sit on his rotted whole ass and do nothing and say nothing about this. PSOJ, all uno go get dismantled from out of Jamaica. The whole of we are right off for Andrew Holness back and know say Andrew Holness are mislead the Jamaican people. The whole of I go get dismantled. God I go dismantle out of Jamaica. What chance see? What chance see the joke? What chance see? Today is supposed to be the climaxing public session of the annual conference of the People's National Party. After 2 days of private session, the delegates spent the time agreeing to policies and formulating the party's platforms. Occasions like today at Jamaican political party conferences are usually of speeches by party officials, culminating with that of the party's leader, aimed at rallying their supporters and underlining their electability, which is that we suppose Mr. Golding, the PNP president, will attempt to do in his address at the national arena. So my wisdom warriors, this is from the Gleaner. Yeah, so uno know said 2 days they were there obviously before having their private sessions and stuff like that. So me want all of the PNP for roll out. Yes, PNP people uno roll out and show support. Show support. Roll out because time come. We need a change. We really need a change. Jamaica need a shake up, you know. We need a change. And I really want Mark Golding to win. I know say Mark Golding have it locked, but Andrew Holness, we cannot trust him. Just like how they thief the election, the local election, he would try to do it again, my wisdom warriors. And Andrew Holness now go down without a fight. You see what him do? You see what Andrew Holness do? With the illicit aid. You see what Andrew Holness do? But nobody thinks that we forget. Make sure it's a Tuesday you table the report so Jamaican people can really see you and your Holness and your thieving member them for who them really are. Yes, and your Holness. And your Holness. You and your wife better table the report Tuesday. So we the Jamaican people can hear the real truth. Uno cook up and uno send out this and send out that to make it look like the ear thief in the PNP, which that is not the case. My wisdom warriors, uno notice, anytime the PNP say anything, and your Holness administration always look out against the PNP. Everything them talk about are them that rise up. But only one thing they not rise up. But from when Mark Golding talk about the illicit 6 until he reach the illicit 8, till 2 more add on. Until 2 more add on. You never hear them talk about nothing. But them gonna want cook up something. Them gonna my wisdom warriors and cook up something and make it look like. I want dangerous set of people we up against, you know. Dangerous, corrupt set of people we up against, you know. And listen, Jamaican, you see the labor right them are go really the one, me not talk the one them will know say Andrew Holness them are lied. The one them will genuinely know say Andrew Holness are mislead them. You see when they find out Jamaica go turn upside it down. Remember me telling you. You see when the labor right them find out say Andrew Holness take them for fool and idiot, then una go see what go happen in Jamaica. Andrew Holness lie to the people constantly and have him supporters out here follow him and a lie. You can't imagine a wicked set of people them here, you know. Wicked set of people them here, my wisdom warriors. You can't imagine. You can't imagine. You have the Matu Samuda wife. She's the deputy managing director of Observer. Just imagine all these things. All of them suck me in a writing. All of them suck me a conflict of interest, you know. All of them suck me here. That's why I'm telling you, say Andrew Holness, he might govern all over. This is what he do. He might buy out everybody. And this is why I know say these people, they know they will sell them soul. They will sell them soul. They don't love their country. We need a man who will love Jamaica. We need a man who will love them country, my wisdom warriors. We need somebody to stand up for we. Stand up and represent us. We don't want a corrupted leader to stand and represent us. We want a honest and caring man to represent us, the people. We don't want no corruption leader represent we. We don't want it. Una labor right. Una Andrew Holness can go over one island and go on and una stay over there with Andrew. But as far as Jamaican people know right now, them want a man of integrity. Them want a man that have principle. Them want a man that is honest to be our leader of Jamaica. We don't want a corrupted prime minister. Look at you. You not sign the code of conduct. You not sign the code of conduct. That to show you what type of person you is, you know. Labor right, me want to no come talk about this, you know. Una lied. Me want to no come talk about this. Because every day on the on social media, every day on I talk about finsack. Stop mix up Mark Golding in a finsack on a fall. Stop mix up Mark Golding in a finsack. Stop mix up Mark Golding in a finsack. Una stop it. Una too wicked and lie. From when Nigel Clark said him a go roll out report, all now he can't publish it. You know why? Me tell you all the while Mark Golding mix up in a finsack. Mark Golding, no mix up and never take nothing from no Finsack. Because if Mark Golding did that, uno think say, Andrew no release that long time. Uno think Andrew uno release that long time, my wisdom warriors talk truth. Talk truth. Talk truth. Uno think say, uno really think say, Andrew Wallace and Nigel Clark uno release that long time, then cannot release it because nothing of the Mark Golding. So then just have it. Finsack. Uno shut up on a dirty labor right. Uno not even know what is Finsack. No found out here follow. Trying to hear people that talk about Finsack uno follow. Uno dirty foot and dirty kin labor right. Me not talk the genuine one them. Me attack one them were bad with them finger upon social media. Them one them me talk about. Uno no care for Jamaica. Uno not even care for yourself. And you want to sign some more agreement. I mean, I hear una talk about it. Una not talk about it, but me tell you no man. Una go realize when una back is against the wall and una can't do nothing again. The only thing, hey, my wisdom warriors, me they go say something. But me not bother say it. Anyway, hear this.
Hey! BMP, come on! Hey! 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 Why? BNP, come on! BNP, come on! Say BNP! BNPJ! We say Marky! We say Golding! Hey! 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 Right? Come on, PNP people! PNP people! Hey!
My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus, Andre, what you say, Andre, PNP, right through, right there, so my wisdom warriors, wanna get ready, because today is the big day. Today is the big day.
It's going.
Woo! The next Prime Minister of Jamaica, the father of the nation, Mr. Honorable Mark Jefferson Golding, my wisdom warriors, and I'm not normal around here. My wisdom warriors, I eat that until later. On know say me I got drop another video because me have to come show you what go on in at the conference, alright? Big up on a nice clean self. Blessings upon blessings. One love.